Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ahmed Adil from grade 7A, and today I will talk about my project for the computer subject. My topic is hardware and software, so let's go. What is hardware? Computer hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer and related devices. Internal hardware devices include motherboards, hardware devices, and RAM. The internal hardware parts of a computer are often referred to as components, while external hardware devices are usually called peripherals. We can see in the picture a hardware devices like speaker and monitor and mouse and keyboard and screen. This is all are hardware devices. What is software? Software is a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It is the opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspects of a computer. Software is a generic term used to refer applications, scripts, and programs that run on a device. It can be thought of as the variable part of a computer, while hardware is the invariable part. We can see in the picture example of software devices like Play Store, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. This is all are software devices. What is the difference between hardware and software? Computer hardware is any physical device used in or with your machine, whereas software is a collection of codes installed onto your computer hard drive. Word processing software uses the computer processor, memory, and hard drive to generate a saved documents. In a computer, hardware is what makes a computer work. Hardware, example of it, mouse, printer, monitor, and keyboard. While the software examples of it like a Facebook, email, YouTube, and Word. And here is another example of the difference between software and hardware. Software refers to collection of programs, while hardware is a physical part computer that causes processing of data. Software cannot be executed without hardware, while hardware cannot be perform any task without software. Software cannot be touched, while hardware can be seen and touched. Software is reinstalled if the problem is not solved, while hardware is replaced if problem is not solved. This is my project for computer science. Thank you for watching and assalamu alaikum.